In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to show or enable the touch keyboard icon to your Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, then scroll up and click on settings. Once you have opened the settings, please proceed to the left pane and find for an option which is called personalization. Now click on it. Once you have opened the personalization, you need to scroll down, proceed to taskbar, click on it. And under the taskbar, you'll see items, tray icons, other system tray icons, and taskbar behaviors. So find four system tray icons, and there you can see touch keyboard. So in order to show touch keyboard icon, navigate here in this bar. You can see a down arrow key, click on it, and please set it into always. Once done, close the window and navigate to your taskbar. There you can see your touch keyboard icon. So tap on it, and there you have that. You have just successfully set or open your touch keyboard here in your Windows 11 taskbar. So you can navigate here where you can use emojis. Have to go with here, and there you can see GIFs or emojis, which contains a lot of categories like food, celebrations, people, and any accessories or hearts. Okay,